In this video, we will show you just how easy it is to install the Pro V6 laser. After everything has been unboxed, start by plugging the short harness into the back of the laser control board. The new magnetic base will secure the board to the top of the white control box. Attach the 4 and 8 pin harness into the back of the control tower. Connect the laser power cord to the back of the box. This will be a separate 110 power. Plug the other end of the 8 pin harness into the back of your machine. Warning: only plug the harness into the port labeled laser. Now attach the laser head bracket. The new bracket will mount to your machine using the built-in T-slots on your spindle mount. Attach the laser head and plug the harness into the designated port on the back of the Z-axis. You can use the supplied Velcro strap to secure your harness to the machine's cooling tubes. Finally, you're ready to activate your laser's control board. Press the power switch, turn the key, press the red reset button. Once you see the green LED light, you're good to go. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, or visit us on the web at axiomprecision.com.